Good morning, student, and have a nice day. See that in metallurgy chapter, the ore of aluminium already I have given my in previous video, bauxite, cryolite, corundum. But bauxite is the main ore of aluminium. Okay. First method. Suppose you got the bauxite. First method is crushing and grinding. You crush this ore and convert it to the powder form. Then we need concentration of aluminium. How can you concentrate aluminium? For that, two methods are there. First method is that concentration. Heading is concentration. Concentration of aluminium ore is done by Bayer process. Bayer's process. In Bayer process, take a bauxite ore plus sodium hydroxide. Temperature will be 150 degrees Celsius to 200 degrees Celsius. It's form sodium aluminate and water and 3s2 plus water. 4, 2, 6, 3s2. It's form sodium aluminate. This is a complex and water. First question is that why we are adding sodium hydroxide? Reason is that it is cheap and easily available. Next one, the impurities present in the bauxite ore, that is ferric oxide and silicon dioxide. These are the impurities which are present in the bauxite ore, and they are unaffected by sodium hydroxide. Means there is no effect of sodium hydroxide on ferric oxide and silicon dioxide. So it's remain there, and bauxite will react with sodium hydroxide and form sodium aluminate. After that, this is the first step. Second step is that sodium aluminate along with steam temperature variable temperature 50 degrees Celsius temperature. Then it's formed aluminium hydroxide and sodium hydroxide. See that reactant is also sodium hydroxide, product is also sodium hydroxide. So this method Bayer's process is cheap, very cheap for the concentration of aluminium bauxite. See that you will get the precipitate of aluminium hydroxide. This precipitate, the form of the precipitate is called CD. The form of precipitate is called CD. See that, filter this precipitate, remove this one, dry in the sun. After that, this third reaction is that aluminium hydroxide at a high temperature, near about 1100 degrees Celsius. Then we get alumina and water vapor. Alumina. Here the concentration of aluminium more than 50%. alumina. This is not corundum. Corundum is the ore of aluminium carbonate, but it is called alumina or aluminium oxide. See that this is a concentration by Bayer's process. Now one more method for the concentration of aluminium, and you can see that aluminium ore convert into the metallic oxide. Conversion of concentrated ore into metallic oxide. Both method here taking place, means concentration of also and conversion of metallic ore into metallic oxide. Two process here are here in Bayer's process. So if the concentration of bauxite ore also can be done by Hall process. Hall's process. In Hall process, no change is there. Only at the place of sodium hydroxide, we use sodium carbonate. Then here product will be carbon dioxide. Product will be carbon dioxide also and water. Water and carbon dioxide. Here also water and carbon dioxide. Water and carbon dioxide. Product will be here also sodium carbonate. Product will be also sodium carbonate. Only second reaction will change. Third reaction will be same. Third reaction will be same in Hall's process. After that, when we get alumina, now we need reduction of oxide. This reduction already is told that the reduction of alumina not possible by using any reducing agent. So we need electrolytic reduction. We need electrolytic reduction. This electrolytic reduction we are doing by Hall and Herold process. Hall-Herold process. Hall-Herold process. Hall-Herold process we need further reduction. Okay. In that method, we have to use electrolyte like alumina, that is oxide of aluminium, cryolite, fluorospar, CaF2, fluorospar. See that what reaction is taking place? Electrolytic reaction. 2Al plus 3 plus 3O minus 2. 3 sodium, aluminium and 6 chloride. Calcium plus fluorine. See that we are using this electrolyte, and this is electrolytic reaction. Explain the electrolytic reduction of aluminium. Okay, or how name the process in name the process in which the electrolytic reduction takes place. Explain with the reaction. The first answer is that Hall and Herold process. Second, electrolytic reduction reaction. Now see that in electrolytic reduction, question is that why we are using cryolite and fluorospar. Why we are using cryolite and fluorospar? Because the melting point of fusion point or melting point of aluminium is 2050 degrees Celsius. And if you want to maintain that temperature, your input will be more than output. Okay. So we are using cryolite and fluorospar. It's reduced the melting point from 2050 to 950 degrees Celsius and enhance the mobility of the ions. Means it will be good conductor. Enhance the conductivity or mobility of the ions. So we are using cryolite and fluorospar. Now see that diagram. See, this is voltameter or electrolytic cell. Here carbon lining. This carbon lining act as a cathode. It act as a cathode, negative. Here carbon rod. This carbon rod act as a anode. You can use 2 or 3 ammonia. It act as a anode. This act as a cathode. See that here you have electrolyte. This one inside that electrolyte, and this is for removal of molten aluminium. Molten. See that we are sprinkling here the carbon powder. Question is that why we sprinkle coke on the surface of electrolyte? Because in electrolytic reactions see that oxygen is also formed. In that on the basis of electrochemical theory, only aluminium migrate toward the cathode, this carbon lining, and this molten aluminium we can use. And we remove this one from this side. And at a node, oxygen migrate. And this oxygen oxidize the anode also. This is carbon rod, anode, and form carbon dioxide. If we are using coke, it prevents our anode and reduce the heat energy by the radiation. Why we are sprinkling coke over the surface of electrolyte? Because it minimizes the loss of the heat energy by radiation and also minimize burning of the anode. So this is the concentration electrolytic reduction of aluminium by Hall-Heroult process. Today I have explained what are the ore of aluminium, what are the method for the concentration of the ore, for that Bayer's method, Bayer's process, and Hall process. Then I have explained electrolytic reduction of alumina by Hall-Heroult process. What electrolyte we are taking? Alumina, cryolite, fluorospar. What is used of cryolite and fluorospar? It's reduced the melting point from 2050 to 950 degrees Celsius and enhance the mobility or conductivity of electrolyte. Next question. Why we sprinkle powder coke over the surface of electrolyte? It's reduce the burning of the carbon rod or anode and also minimize or prevent the heat energy loss by radiation. So you prepare this one. Thank you. Have a nice day.